I don't know if you can hear the sounds behind me, but that's industrial-sized wood chipper. Hold on a second there, boys. Hey, saving this for a special person in Minnesota. I'm sure that JD, my guy, is going to be on this, but maybe I can beat him to it. But there's a wood chipper in your future, my guy. State senator from Minnesota, caught in an undercover sting. This guy thought he was talking to a 16-year-old underage prostitute. Yeah. This sound should be in your future. Accompanied by a whole bunch of, oh my God, my leg, ah! These people are sick, demon, lizard people. And they prey on children. It's Minnesota, so I doubt, it's what they do to criminals in Minnesota. But hopefully, this guy can't talk his way out of it. And allegedly, and I'm not gonna say his name because, not 100% sure about it. But again, this goes for anybody who thinks it's okay to hire a 16-year-old underage prostitute. You need to be fed to a wood chipper. Allegedly. This is Jethro. I love y'all. Check out JD. He's where I get my wood chipper inspiration. He's a good dude and tells it like it is. And I respect that. So, anyways, be good or be good at it. I love y'all. We'll see you on the flip side.